In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load smart pocket Wi-Fi using Gcash. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to look for, and a few simple checks to make sure your load goes to the right device every time. Start by opening the Gcash app on your phone. Before doing anything else, take a quick look at your Gcash balance at the top of the home screen. Loading your smart pocket Wi-Fi deducts from this balance, so it's important to make sure you have enough to cover the amount you plan to buy. It's always wise to have a small buffer in case of any price differences or limited time promo pricing. From the Gcash home screen, tap Load. This takes you to the loading section where you can purchase mobile load and data for different services. On the next screen, select Telco. This tells Gcash that you want to load a mobile number, which is exactly what your smart pocket Wi-Fi uses via its SIM. Now, enter the mobile number linked to your smart pocket Wi-Fi. This is usually the 11-digit number associated with the SIM inside the device. If you're not sure what that number is, check the SIM card holder that came with your device or the device's settings page. Make sure you type the number carefully and double-check it before moving on. Loading the wrong number sends the credits somewhere else and is very hard to reverse. After entering the number, you'll see a list of load options. Here, choose the load or data promo that best fits your needs. You'll typically find regular load, which can be used flexibly, and data-specific promos for browsing and streaming. Look closely at the data allocation, speed inclusions if listed, and the validity period so you're getting the best value for how long you plan to use the connection. If your pocket Wi-Fi is for light browsing or emails, a smaller, longer validity package might be enough. For heavier use, like video meetings or streaming, go for a higher data bundle or a promo designed for more data. Once you select a load, Gcash will display the details on screen. Take a moment to confirm the number and the amount you picked. Keep your pocket Wi-Fi powered on so the network can register the load smoothly. You should see an on-screen confirmation and, in many cases, a text message sent to the pocket Wi-Fi number indicating that the load or promo has been applied. That's it. You've opened Gcash, checked your balance, tapped Load, selected Telco, entered your pocket Wi-Fi number, and chosen the right load. Quick, clear, and done. Enjoy your connection, and load smart to make every peso count.